Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your volume mixer is not opening on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the audio troubleshooter and the run option. And then you want to follow along with the prompts here as it suggests potential solutions and workarounds for your problem. Now, if you're still having a problem, we can open up the search menu, type in mmsys.cpl, again, mmsys.cpl, and hit enter. Now you want to right-click on your speaker device and select Properties. Select the Advanced tab, and where it says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, you want to make sure that it's unchecked, so it should not be filled in here. You want to make sure it's unchecked, and then select Apply and OK. And you would need to restart your computer in order for the change to take effect, so let's go ahead and restart our computer at this time. And now I want you to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. And then give that a couple minutes to run. Once that has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility scan. And now you will need to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this printer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.